2017, I left the corporate world to focus on my nonprofit. I have been living the best 6 years of my life, and the highlight is this book. Because from the book, I was able to reach as far as South Africa, Vietnam, India, Nepal. It's just amazing how a book can reach out to so many different countries. I'm here to help and to serve. So if you have some questions, you want to have a coffee chat, we are all brothers and sisters in the ALF family. I would love to support you. Each of you have a story to tell, so please share with the world your story.
Today I stand before you to talk about resiliency, with the hope that we will be able to inspire each other to really bring hopes and healing to our communities. Resilience means, of course, abilities to bounce back, right? To any setback. And of course, how many of you encountered some major setback in your life? Raise your hand. I'm sure everybody does. But the key thing is, when you encounter setback, how can you bounce back, but you never lose the essence of who you are?
And today I will challenge myself that I will use this phone to practice mind to myself, and also I want to express love to myself. And I want to talk to myself that, hey girl, you are so beautiful, you're amazing, you're a miracle, and you deserve love. Love all of you, VYLS. And I would like to say thank you.
We are the choices we made. So choose to live in grace. Choose that I am a miracle. I choose to love. I choose to act. I choose to laugh.
I've said this before, but my biggest aha moment came at the beginning with talking about gratitude and the realization that just by being grateful can lift my mood and help me feel joyful and experience life in a much better way. It's been an amazing journey these last 8 weeks. Thank you everyone for giving me this extra aha moment that I needed. Thank you.